Welcome to today's cryptocurrency news. Cryptocurrency prices today.
The price of Bitcoin, BTC, to US dollar, USDT, has increased by -3.99% compared to the same day last year, while the price of Ethereum, ETH, to USDT has increased by -4.98% and the price of Binance Coin, BNB, to USDT has increased by -4.01%.
Latest news.
Three men arrested for stealing and laundering millions from financial institutions. The U.S. Department of Justice has announced the arrest of three men accused of participating in a scheme to steal and launder millions of dollars from financial institutions. The suspects, Zhong Shigao, Naifeng Su, and Fei Jiang, are accused of using overseas cryptocurrency exchanges to launder the stolen funds, resulting in over 10 million being stolen. The arrested men are facing charges in the scheme. Strike CEO announces debit card Bitcoin purchasing feature for non-US users. Strike CEO Jack Mallers announced the availability of a debit card feature for users outside the US, with the feature now available in 36 countries and regions. The feature allows users to purchase Bitcoin using a debit card. Strike has also partnered with Bitrefill to enable users to purchase everyday essentials using their fiat currency, USDT, or Bitcoin balance through the Lightning Network. Strike has added support for Lightning addresses, zero-value invoices, on-chain payment tiers, and global P2P payments between users. Snoop Dogg's decision to quit weed sparks crypto betting on Polymarket. Snoop Dogg's decision to give up marijuana has led to a cryptocurrency betting market on Polymarket. The bet asks gamblers to wager on whether Snoop Dogg will smoke again in 2023. The odds currently sit at even money, but at 2 points earlier today, betting activity pushed the odds of yes up to 23. The DeFi Oracle Network UMA is responsible for resolving the bet, with the resolution source being statements from Snoop Dogg and/or a consensus of credible reporting. Phenix introduces Rollups to boost privacy on Ethereum and similar networks. Phenix, a blockchain platform that uses fully homomorphic encryption, has announced that it will be introducing Rollups to boost privacy on Ethereum and similar networks. These rollups will enable secure on-chain transactions and private applications, allowing developers to create confidential Layer 2 networks while remaining compatible with Ethereum. DLM, a cross-chain trading infrastructure built on the bridge, has entered into a strategic partnership with Root, a DeFi performance provider, to offer MEV searchers, institutional DeFi traders, and projects with fast intents-based cross-chain value exchange. The partnership between DLM's high-performance infrastructure and Root's fast transaction propagation capabilities will enable users and integrating DApps to use Root API for the fastest cross-chain interactions available. Kinetex's Network, a decentralized platform for cross-chain trading, has announced the close of a strategic funding round led by Factor and Gnosis Chain. The funding will be used to build on Gnosis Chain, a community-led EVM Layer 1, and refine Kinetex's trading approach to transferring liquidity between networks. Kinetex plans to launch its public testnet on Gnosis Chain early next year, with the test phase lasting 3 months and focusing on identifying bugs and refining the user experience. U.S. Congressman's OnlyFans scandal leads to DOJ investigation and ethics committee referral. U.S. Congressman George Santos is accused of using campaign donations for personal expenses, including subscriptions to adult content site OnlyFans, and filing false reports to the FEC. The House Ethics Committee found substantial evidence of potential violations of federal criminal law and has forwarded the matter to the U.S. Department of Justice for further investigation. Santos will no longer run for re-election in 2024. He was arrested on fraud and money laundering charges in May. Multiple U.S. states order GS Partners to halt operations over crypto fraud allegations. GS Partners, controlled by Joseph Dortmund Halt, has been accused of defrauding investors in various crypto schemes, including tokenized pieces of Dubai skyscrapers and stakes in Metaverse properties. The organization, which consists of GSB Gold Standard Bank Ltd., Swiss Floram Bank Ltd., and GSB Gold Standard Corporation AG, is accused of offering and selling unqualified securities and making material misrepresentations and omissions to investors related to crypto asset investments. The California Department of Financial Protection and Innovation and Texas State Securities Board have ordered the company to halt operations, while other jurisdictions are pursuing similar actions. The business has been broadly perpetrating various fraudulent investment schemes that are threatening immediate and irreparable public harm, according to an action from the Texas State Securities Board. The executives, including Bruce Ennis, Wild Hughes, and Dirk Thalman, are directly named in the actions. Andrew Yang discusses blockchain and AI regulation at North American Blockchain Summit. Andrew Yang, former presidential candidate, New York City mayor, and founder of the Forward Party, spoke at the North American Blockchain Summit, NABS, in Fort Worth, Texas on November 16. He expressed concerns about the lack of use and public perception of blockchain technology in the United States and the country's regulation of artificial intelligence, AI. Yang believes that the current state of blockchain and Web3 technology in the U.S. is disappointing and that firms could be moving overseas. He also criticized the U.S. regulatory approach, calling it waiting for a disaster to happen before taking action, and the winner-take-all economy that could exacerbate existing divisions in U.S. political life. Strike expands Bitcoin buying services globally. Bitcoin firm Strike has expanded its services globally, allowing users in 36 countries to buy Bitcoin through the app. The company's founder, Jack Mallers, announced the expansion in a blog post, stating that users worldwide can now experience the ease of buying Bitcoin directly through the Strike platform. Global users will incur a 3.9% fee on their purchases, but Mallers hopes to lower the cost eventually. Strike is also partnering with crypto payments firm Bitrefill, which uses the Lightning Network to allow global users to make everyday purchases instantly and nearly free of charge. Texas State Securities Board accuses GS Network of fraudulent activities linked to Metaverse property sales. Texas Securities Board arrests GS Network of companies for fraudulent digital asset sales and security offerings. GSB Network of companies, controlled by Joseph Dortmund Height, accused of fraudulent activities related to digital assets and investments in a proprietary metaverse. GS Partners, GS Smart Finance, and GS Wealth held 3 rounds of metaverse property sales beginning in 2021. Regulators alleged that other investment products created by the company constitute unregistered security offerings. Texas Securities Board filed an emergency enforcement action for the GSB group of companies to cease and desist from such activities in the state. Ontario Securities Commission issues warning for GS Partners not being registered to do business in the Canadian province. Securities regulators in Canadian provinces of Saskatchewan, British Columbia, Alberta, and Quebec have also published warnings regarding the firm. Meta introduces AI-powered generative models for content editing and generation. Meta, the social media giant, has introduced 2 AI models for content editing and generation. Emu Video can generate video clips based on text and image inputs, while Emu Edit focuses on image manipulation. Both models are still in the research stage. Meta trained Emu Edit using a dataset of 10 million synthesized images, each with input image, task description, and targeted output image. The company is cautious about deploying AI-based tools and has announced that it will not allow political campaigns and advertisers to use its AI tools to create ads on Facebook and Instagram. DeFi competition declines after FTX's collapse, leading to capital concentration and flight to quality. The decentralized finance, DeFi, sector is struggling to recover, with a few dominant participants and high capital concentration. Data from Gauntlet, a crypto risk modeling company, shows that capital concentration is prevalent in most DeFi categories, including peer-to-peer lending and decentralized exchanges. The top 4 projects hold about 44% of the market share, while other categories like decentralized derivatives exchanges, DeFi lenders, and liquid staking are less competitive, with the top 4 projects holding about 9% of the market share. The concentration of capital is due to security and risk failures of some newer protocols, leading to a flight to quality. Hacks and blowups in the broader crypto industry have spooked investors, resulting in a decrease in the total value of cryptocurrency sent to DeFi. Despite a recent market rally, only about 30 DeFi projects have generated revenue of over 1 million in the past 180 days. The founder of MakerDAO, Rune Christensen, expressed concerns about potential side effects of a massive rally if the bear market is truly over and the industry's healthy process of eliminating unsustainable businesses is hindered. Ubisoft announces free Ethereum NFT mint for upcoming game Champions Tactics, Grimoria Chronicles. Ubisoft plans to mint 9,999 Warlords NFTs for its upcoming game, Champions Tactics, Grimoria Chronicles, built on the gaming-centric Oasis blockchain. Users will only need to pay Ethereum network gas fees to mint the NFTs. 50 random Twitter users will be added to the list for the game and will be able to access a private Discord server. The game is set to launch on PC in early 2024. Ethereum name service developer accuses unstoppable domains of patenting ENS innovation. Nick Johnson, lead developer of Ethereum name service, ENS, has accused unstoppable domains of patenting an innovation made by ENS. Johnson criticized the lack of legal backing or binding behind Unstoppable Domain's Web3 Domain Alliance group. He claims that ENS has not pursued patents on their work. Johnson requested an unconditional and irrevocable patent pledge from Unstoppable Domains. Unstoppable founder Matthew Gould reiterates the open invite to join the alliance, but Johnson remains skeptical. Gould emphasized the need for increased collaboration and discussion in the industry.
Thank you for watching today.
Bless the audience to make a lot of money in the currency circle. It is hoped that the audience can grasp investment opportunities, invest rationally, and earn reasonable returns. At the same time, the audience is also reminded that investment is risky and needs to be treated with caution, and they should not blindly follow suit or overtrade.